Hey guys, so now in this video we will going to review about the hosting. Okay, so to be honest, you can see right now I'm using Hostinger, and I have hosted plenty of my website in Hostinger. Okay, in my online business journey, I have earned a lot of money, and I have used various uh, website hosting like Bluehost, SiteGround as well, and HostGator. But if you will tell me which hosting you should choose, Hostinger, Bluehost, SiteGround, or HostGator, or there are plenty of hosting companies. So to be honest, I will always going to say it will be Hostinger. Reason? Because here you will going to get very affordable hosting if you will just go ahead and if you take WordPress hosting, suppose. Okay, so I guess majority of you guys will going to go with the WordPress hosting. So you can see it will only going to start with 69. Okay, and let me just show you in US dollars as well. Okay, so that we can just compare. You can see only it will going to start with dollar 1.99. But if you will just compare the pricing with other hosting companies, you can just go ahead with the WordPress hosting of the Bluehost, and then you will going to find it very much costly as compared to I can say Hostinger. You can see it's starting from 169, and if you will just go ahead and just check it out, the Hostinger, okay, so it will going to start with 69. So that's the huge difference. Even if you go with the SiteGround, so it's hell expensive. Okay, you can just go to WordPress hosting, and now you can see the startup. Here you can only create one website. Okay, and you can see it is starting from $3, but in Hostinger it was dollar 1.99. Same with HostGator. Just go to hosting and just go to WordPress hosting. Okay, let's compare all of them, and here you will going to see that it is costing, starter plan is costing $5. Okay, so in all, Hostinger is very much affordable. And to be honest, I never say my students or my clients to purchase some other hosting until and unless I have used that particular hosting. So I have completely used Hostinger for the past 2 years. Okay, and you can see these are all my websites which are hosted in the Hostinger as well. So hope you guys are satisfied with the point of the Hostinger, that it is very much affordable. And if you will just go ahead, you can see you will going to get plenty of amazing features, like you will going to get 100 websites. You can create 100 websites, and guys, I think that 100 website is more than enough. And here you will find here they will going to say with this plan, with the Bluehost or their SiteGround or HostGator, they will going to say that we will going to Palau. Okay, my god, HostGator is hell more expensive. You can say they will only going to allow 2 sites. So HostGator is very expensive, but here they will say, other companies will going to say that they will going to provide unlimited websites. But guys, I think that you will not going to host unlimited website, because in this particular business hosting, where you will only going to get 20 GB of web space, and I guess here in this type of particular hosting, if you try to host even 20 websites, your website will not going to work properly, or it will not going to work effectively. So I guess HostGator is very expensive, and as compared to that, Hostinger is very great. You can just create 100 websites, you will going to get 100 GB SSD storage, 25 monthly visit. But it is not always the same, because even if you bring 50,000, just double, so Hostinger will also going to handle that traffic as well. Okay, you will going to get free email. Like you might know that some professional business has, some kind of professional emails, like we have at the rate, sorry, support at the rate beingcommerce.in. so this is one email I have. Okay, so this is how email account you can create for your business. Okay, you will going to get unlimited bandwidth, unlimited databases. Okay, so there are plenty of options available for you. You will going to get unlimited free SSL. So as SSL certificate will going to show your website as a secure. Okay, so here it is saying connection is secure, and if you visit some website which will not going to have as a SSL certificate, so it will going to show not secure. So that is a very bad thing. But in Hostinger you will even going to get that as well. You will also going to get 30 days money back guarantee, and amazing thing is that you will going to get 99% uptime guarantee as well. And you will also going to get 30 days money back guarantee in case if you don't need that, don't need Hostinger in future, so you can also refund them. Now the amazing thing I just wanted to teach you is that, guys, some companies will going to offer you a very affordable price. Okay, very affordable price. So if you try to buy hosting from any hosting companies at a very first time, so they will going to give you at a huge discount. But when you try to renew the same hosting account, so it will going to cost you more. So that is not problem with Hostinger, because here, or just for 159 per month when you will going to renew it, so it will only going to cost 159 when you will going to renew it. Okay, but these hosting companies will going to cost lot of money, because to be honest, when I was using SiteGround, so at that time I was very much new, so I didn't know about, there is some renew cost and it will going to cost a lot of money. So I have grow big plan. At my time I was having grow big plan. So even if I show you with my logins details, so I still have this login details. So here you can see it is popping my email address and my password as well for the SiteGround account. So I used to have this particular SiteGround account 2 to 3 years back. Okay, so at that time, so when I tried to renew it again, so it was costing hell lot of money. So that's the reason I always say, if you want to get a good amount of security, safety, support, and at a very affordable price, so Hostinger is a very great option. Okay, so this is the review I want to just give you about the Hostinger, and I always suggest you guys to just go ahead with the Hostinger. Okay, and there's one more thing which I wanted to tell you. In case if you want to buy Hostinger, so you can just type here .com/Bing commerce. So guys, if you use this link to purchase Hostinger, so I will also going to give you 10% discount on Hostinger. You can just use the coupon code. So basically, for example, if you want to go with the Hostinger and WordPress hosting, let's say, okay, and if you just go ahead and let's say you want, let's say WordPress starter plan. Okay, so you can just simply add to cart it, and let's wait for it to get redirected to the checkout of Hostinger. Okay, so here whatever plan you will say, let's say 12 months, for 24 months, that is 2 years, and for 4 years. Okay, so it's my suggestion, because you can see I have purchased particular Hostinger for basically 4 years. Okay, because it is very affordable. So more lengthy duration you will going to take, you can see you can save more amount of money. So it's totally up to you. For example, let's suppose you want for 2 months, let's say, so in the have a coupon code, you can just apply a coupon that is Bing commerce. Okay, and then you will going to see that you will going to get a discount with the help of our coupon. So in case if you want to go ahead and if you want to purchase the Hostinger hosting, then you can just use our coupon and link. You will going to get a good amount of discount. So this is just a thing, in case if you want to purchase it, so you can just go ahead with this. It will going to help you a lot. Okay, so this is all about the hosting review. And there's one more thing which I just wanted to show you, which is this offer which we are right now promoting. So in case if you are interested to learn about WordPress, so we are teaching people how they can create 8 types of WordPress website in one course. Okay, so you will going to learn about blogging, e-commerce, affiliate website, how you can create affiliate WordPress website, drop shipping WordPress website, portfolio website, online course website with WordPress. So these are all the websites we will going to teach you how you can create with the help of WordPress. And you can see the preview. That means if you start to create e-commerce website, okay, so if you will see this, so this will going to give you idea which how your website will going to look after you will going to watch our course. Okay, so this is the offer. And the thing is that we are also giving you the most amazing offer, which you can see here, is that you will going to get 40 plus extra courses with this bundle. So you will going to get digital marketing course, meta course, stock market course, Google form course, Canva course, editing course, Google slide course. And similarly you will going to get 40 amazing courses, and in every month we will going to launch new course, so you will also going to get access to those new courses as well. So this is a winning opportunity for you guys. So in case if you guys are interested, so I have provided the hostinger link, which is hostinger.com/bingcommerce. So you can just go ahead and purchase with my link. It will going to help me a lot, okay, for my online business. Okay, and you can also use my coupon code bingcommerce as I have mentioned, and I will also going to provide you this offer link for this WordPress. So you can just go ahead and you can just check it out as well if you guys are interested. Okay.